are we?
We're at a skate park.
Yeah, we're at the skate park. It's a Wednesday morning. 水曜日の朝です。And the kids have distance learning from 8:30. But we thought we'd go outside and get some fresh air, even though it's a little smoky. We thought we'd get some fresh air and exercise before we do our distance learning. This skate park was closed for a couple months, but recently I think they reopened it, and as you can see there's a sign that says maximum occupancy 6 at one time. That means 6人までしかここで遊べないっていうルールになってます。And we have to always wear mask. いつもマスク着用しないといけないです。So the kids haven't been to a skate park for more than half a year, I think since February. So they're pretty happy. 6ヶ月ぶりぐらいのスケートパークです。Usually there's lots of teenagers. こういうスケートパークによくティーネイジャーとかが友達と一緒になんかスケボーしたりして遊んでたりします。So we get the skate park all to ourselves because it's very early in the morning.
ここからシュート危なかった。
さっきねYeah, you're about to fall over. 後ろにひっくり返りそうだったよね。You're about to fall over. And Rena is going up the hill, down the hill, and then good to watch out. And up the hill. So our routine right now is the kids get up, have breakfast, and then Mom goes out to work out, and then today I came home a little early so that I can take the kids out and get them to use their energy a little. This is some steep hill. Momo, me too? できると思う? Let's see if I can do it. Here comes Rena. So I was able to do it, but this is pretty hard. You need a lot of arm muscle. ね、結構難しいと思うんだけど。And they're puffing and puffing. 母いうことを英語では huffing and puffing. You're huffing and puffing. You're out of breath. 息が切れてるっていうのは You're out of breath. Come on, Kento. Kento help me, right? Kento help mommy get up here. Kento, you pushed my butt, right? 足ね。ケントがママのお尻と足を押してくれたんだよね。You gave me a push. Okay, Mom's gonna try again one last time before heading home.
はい、いいよ。
3, 2, 1. Good job. I think I gotten the hang of it. ちょっとコツ分かってきた。I've gotten the hang of it っていうのはコツが分かってきたとか慣れてきたっていうことになります。So first thing, don't be afraid. 怖がっちゃダメ。And second thing, run really fast. 3, 2, 1, go! It's sort of scary going down here too. ここから降りるのもちょっと怖いかも。3, 2, 1, go! Are you both tired?
Yeah.
Getting a little tired. 3, 2, 1, go! So that was some good exercise. You got a good workout. またやりたい Yeah, let's come again